Hello everybody, it's Whites on Games here. I'm gonna open some packs in Hearthstone. Yeah, cause I haven't done a video in a while, but I'm gonna open packs cause I want the legendaries. So yeah, let's go ahead and open some packs. Let's do a pose here. Yeah, come on buddy, some packs. And I get a rare pack. Yeah, I already have everything of this, so just disenchant it. Come on, get some good of this. Come on, I want the Ragnar's. Oh, hype. Oh, epic and 2 rares. Sick. Oh, Rampage. That's pretty nice. Soundwalker. Sweet. Equalities. Oh, this is what this. Come on, come on. Fuck. I never play Paladin. Oh, but pretty sick. Oh, what's this? Another rare pack. Oh, let's do a quick one. Come on, we do this and this and this. Come on, give me some Ragnar's. No, rare pack. Yeah, rare pack. Rare, rip. Not too bad. Okay, I'm tired of these rampages now. Come on, another pack, another legendary. A rare pack, yeah. Come on, I want these legendaries, I need it. Yeah, another rare pack. A lot of shit. I already have that card. Wow, this is the legendary. Come on, please. I could have bought a fucking new quarter for these coins. Come on, come on. Give me some legendary. Sweet honey. Okay, no legendaries. Yeah, but I think, yeah, this is a pretty shit pack opening. But, cause I fucking bought these things for you now. Cause you want me to open packs, cause I don't have no viewers, but yeah. So, go ahead. But I got one okay card, an epic. Yeah, I got this epic. So, that's pretty okay. That's okay. I would like another giant would be good, or a fucking Ragnar's, because my friend got the Ragnar's in a coin pack, so I'm pretty jealous.
Hey, yeah. Wake up.
I got poked in TeamSpeak there. But yeah, like the video, comment, subscribe, because I have new viewers, but yeah, goodbye guys.